Apple has announced the Apple Watch Ultra 3, its most advanced smartwatch yet, along with the Watch SE 3. The Ultra 3 introduces built-in satellite connectivity, a larger and brighter display, longer battery life, new health tools including hypertension detection and sleep snoring. The Watch Ultra 3 features Apple's largest display on a smartwatch using the LTPO3 wide-angle OLED panel with thinner bezels and improved brightness. The display supports a 1 Hz refresh rate in always-on mode, which now updates every second. Apple claims this enables a more responsive experience for features like stopwatch, timer, and various faces. It has 42 hours of battery life at a normal usage and extends up to 72 hours in low power mode. The watch supports fast charging with 50 minutes of charge, giving you up to 12 hours of use. They've added support for two-way satellite connectivity, which users can, when they're out of cellular or Wi-Fi coverage, they can send and receive text, alert, emergency services, and share their location. This feature also supports Find My updates every 15 minutes and works with end-to-end encrypted messages. Apple includes 2 years of free satellite services within the Watch Ultra 3. It also has 5G connectivity. It introduces new health tools such as hypertension notification system. This system uses the optical heart rate sensor to monitor changes in blood vessel behavior and alerts users to potential signs of chronic high blood pressure. The watch also has Workout Buddy, a personalized coach featuring powered by Apple Intelligence. It uses fitness history, heart rate, and pacing data to provide spoken notification during workout. The redesigned workout app supports features like pacer, race route, and customizable views for different sports. The Watch Ultra 3 starts at $799 and comes in white and natural black titanium finishes. The Watch SE3 starts at $249. It includes an always-on display, fast charging, and key health features such as sleep apnea notification, wrist temperature sensing, and retrospective ovulation estimation. The SC3 runs on the new S10 chip and supports one-hand gestures like double tap and flicker. Both runs on WatchOS 26, which brings a new liquid glass UI design, enhanced smart stack widgets, live translation in messages, and redesigned watch face gallery. The OS leans on Apple Intelligence to drive features like on-device Siri, Workout Buddy, and context-aware message suggestions.